If you manage domains with Namecheap, turning on the auto-renewal summary is a simple way to stay ahead of upcoming renewals and avoid surprise expiration issues. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on auto-renewal summary in Namecheap, step by step, so you can keep your account organized and get notified before anything renews. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and account management guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click on Account. This is where Namecheap keeps many of the important settings related to your profile and account preferences. After that, from the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your account profile settings, where you can manage different options tied to your Namecheap account. Now scroll down the page until you find the Tools section. This area contains helpful account tools and notification controls, so take your time and look carefully. Once you spot the relevant Manage button in the notification section, click it. This is the control that opens the settings for your notification preferences, including the Auto-Renewal Summary option. After clicking Manage, continue scrolling until you find Auto-Renewal Summary. This is the setting you need to enable if you want Namecheap to keep you updated about renewals. When you see it, turn the option on. This tells Namecheap that you want renewal summary notifications enabled for your account, which can be really useful for staying on top of domain renewals and avoiding missed deadlines. Once the option is switched on, all that's left to do is click Done to save your changes. That final step makes sure your settings are applied properly so you can close the page knowing the auto-renewal summary is active. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto-renewal summary in Namecheap. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.